Anyiti itemi ministry-inĩ ya gĩthomo macemanĩtie kaunti-inĩ ya Machakos makĩrugũria mũtaratara mwerũ wa ũgarũrũku wa gĩthomo bũrũri-inĩ. Minister wa gĩthomo Julius Migos akiuga nĩ magũtigĩrĩra mũtaratara mwerũ wa gĩthomo gĩa CBC nĩ wagacĩrithio.
We are here to update stakeholders on the status of the competency-based education implementation, to provide a platform for stakeholders' participation in the validation of our senior school guidelines.
Oho Gambo augĩte kĩgĩna kĩrĩa gĩtigarĩte kĩa birioni 14 nĩ gĩkũrekererio mathukuru-inĩ na akoria arutani matikaingate ciana nĩ ũndũ wa bithi, akĩmerĩra matikagĩe na wagagu thirikari nĩ kũrekereria kĩgĩna nĩguo mĩhang'o ya mathukuru ĩthiĩ na mbere ũrĩa gũbatiĩ.
And we are urging the head teachers not to send away any students home, because really the funds are coming and we are doing something about it. Let them be a bit patient and we'll be able to resolve this. Our teams, as we speak, some of them are in Treasury trying to see what can be done, and we are working towards that. You are aware that last week there was an issue with the payment of NEC examiners. We were able to release those resources, and by the weekend they were all already paid.
Mwandĩki mũkaru ministry-inĩ ĩyo ya gĩthomo Belio Kipsang augĩte no nginya maheo kĩgĩna kĩrĩa gĩgũtwarithia na mbere waki wa rabu iria maratanya gwaka mathukuru-inĩ. Augĩte nĩ mahithũkĩtie mathukuru 1,600 matirĩ na rabu cia arutwo, ũndũ ũrĩa ũtũmĩte mehĩke nĩguo matikahotomie mathomo ma senior secondary.
We have 1,600 schools without laboratories. As of today, senior schools, we would want to make sure that all these schools have labs, so that to optimize on the facilities that are there and to optimize on our teachers, every school will be required to take 2 pathways. And the science pathway will be taken by every school, and that's why we are putting up laboratories, so that each school will be able to take at least 2 pathways.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Muthoni wa Wanyeki.